And we have agenda item 3.1, Ramadan Proclamation. So Islam is one of the world's major religions. Dublin has a high diverse Muslim community with ethnic and cultural backgrounds from all around the world. Ramadan is the 9th month of the Muslim lunar calendar year and is an annual holy month of fasting and spiritual renewal. It is a time to reflect spiritually, build community, and aid those in need. Spend the time with friends and family, and celebrate and express gratitude to each other. Tonight, in our City Council meeting, we would like to present a proclamation for Ramadan. So I would like to invite Seema Badar, Dublin Muslim Community Society, to come over to receive the proclamation here. So, Seema, I would like to present this proclamation to you. I want to say quickly to recognize the Muslim residents of Dublin with their hard work and contributions to medicine, science, information technology, education, law enforcement, military, and many other fields. And I want to present to you representing all the City Council, and thank you. And here's your proclamation. And we would like to give a quick comment.
Sure. We have, if I can give a quick comment, and then
Yeah.
a couple of you.
Yes. Yeah. You do a quick comment, and then we'll invite everybody here for a photo together.
So good evening, and thank you, Mayor and City Council members, for this proclamation recognizing Ramadan in our beautiful city of Dublin. As most of you know, my name is Seema Badar. I am a advisory board member of the Dublin Muslim Cultural Society, and I'm truly honored to accept this proclamation on behalf of the Dublin Muslim Cultural Society. The Dublin Muslim Cultural Society was established last year to promote, celebrate, and preserve Muslim cultures here in our city of Dublin. The Dublin Muslim Cultural Society recognizes that Dublin is a very diverse and inclusive community, and we wanted our Muslim culture to be shared and celebrated amongst the other cultures here. In doing that, the Dublin Muslim Cultural Society wanted to commemorate Ramadan by hosting a variety of events this Ramadan, and we wanted to invite our community to join us. So I'll just share a couple of the events that we'll be hosting. The first that we really wanted to highlight is our Ramadan Iftar, which will be on March 9th at Amalfi Mediterranean Fusion Restaurant. This is a chance for our neighbors to experience what a day of breaking fast after a long day is like. So we invite you all to join us there. For our youngest community members, we'll also be hosting Ramadan Story Hours at the Dublin Library. Our first one is actually tomorrow, February 19th at 4:30 p.m. As well as we also lastly wanted to invite you on May 4th, we will be hosting our second annual Eid Festival. I know many of you joined us last year for that. And it'll be a day to just have good food, music, and community, and really excited to host you all there. Now I'd like to quickly call up some of our youth leaders, starting with Zayan, Kajani, and the Heroes4Hunger group. They are going to talk quickly about the Ramadan food drive they're going to be working on, followed by I'm going to call up the Muslim Cultural Society, who will quickly share about some of the impactful projects they'll be working on. Thank you.
So please go ahead. You have 3 minutes.
Assalamu alaikum and good evening. First and foremost, we'd just like to give all of the city council members a box of dates, just to commemorate the beginning of Ramadan. Yeah, I know.
Thank you very much.
So my name is Zayan Kajani. I'm a member and the founder of Heroes4Hunger, a group of Muslim teens who are just trying to make our difference in the community this Ramadan. A shared sentiment when fasting across the month of Ramadan is a heightened sense of empathy for those dealing with food insecurity. And that sense of empathy is what really inspired us to start Heroes for Hunger last year. We partnered with the Alameda County Community Food Bank to create a Ramadan food drive that's going to last all 30 days of Ramadan. That's going to allow us to feed all of our neighbors dealing with food insecurity across the Tri-Valley, no matter their race, religion, or background, because that is what Islam is about. You may have remembered us last year in the same spot, kicking off our first annual drive. I'm proud to announce that last year we were able to raise $20,000 and donate over 40,000 meals to those dealing with food insecurity across the city of Dublin. This year we want to expand, so we're gonna attempt to feed all of those dealing with food insecurity in our across the Tri-Valley this Ramadan. Just $1 can feed one person for one day. So everybody, please try to make an effort and help us make a difference today. Now, before I go, I'd like to ask one humble request. It would mean the world to all of us if each and every one of the council members could just make a small donation to our drive. I cannot tell you how much it would do to elevate our cause. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you. So glad to have you. Seema, do you have a...
I'll call up the Dublin Muslim Cultural Society Youth Committee now for a quick comment.
So first introduce yourself
All right.
and then make a quick comments.
Good evening, City of Dublin and council members. I'm Sohail Qureshi, a junior at Dublin High. And this Ramadan, we are going to have volunteers from the Muslim Culture Youth Society. We'll gather at Kids Against Hunger to pack nutritious meals for LA fire victims and children in Haiti. They'll work together to measure, seal, and box meal packages, ensuring families in crisis receive essential food. This hands-on effort shows the spirit of Ramadan giving, encouraging youth in the community to work together to make a real impact.
My name is Minal Mukaram, and I'm a junior at Dublin High. Good evening. My name is Safa Mukaram, and I'm a sophomore at Emerald High. Participants in the first ever Muslim Cultural Society parade entry will bring energy to the 41st City of Dublin St. Patrick's Day Parade, with vibrant drumming and dynamic dancers from Bhangra Empire marching alongside members of MCS Dublin. They'll celebrate diversity and pride in our cultural heritage. This historic moment highlights inclusion and joy, making a powerful statement of togetherness in Dublin's beloved tradition.
Good evening. My name is Yusuf Ahmed, and I am a student at Fallon, as well as council member of the Fallon MSU, and I am here to tell you about the MSU food, the Muslim Youth Committee food drive. Muslim students across DUSD, with support from the MCS Youth Committee, are hosting a Ramadan food drive at school sites across Dublin. This effort supports the DUSD food pantry, ensuring food insecure families in our school communities have what they need. Ramadan teaches empathy for those facing hunger, and we want all students to thrive without having to worry about food. Please join us in giving back by bringing non-perishable foods to your local school's drop-off point.
Thank you. Just quickly introduce yourself.
My name is Zaid, and I'm a student at Fallon Middle School, and I'm a part of a club called MSU, Muslim Student Union.
Thank you, Seema. I would like to invite all you groups over. Okay, so yeah, everybody come over. We would like to have a photo with you.